HVAC won't turn on after power outage? If your HVAC system won't turn on after a power outage, here are some troubleshooting steps you can try. Check the circuit breaker. Locate your home's electrical panel and check if the breaker for your HVAC system has tripped. If it has, switch it off and then back on to reset it. Inspect the thermostat. Ensure the thermostat is set to the correct mode, heating or cooling, and that the temperature setting is appropriate. Check if the thermostat has power. If it's battery operated, try replacing the batteries. Examine the HVAC system's power switch. Some HVAC units have a dedicated power switch near the indoor unit. Make sure this switch is in the on position. Reset the system. Some HVAC systems have a reset button. If your system does, press and hold the reset button for a few seconds to restart the system. Check for a blown fuse. If your system uses fuses, inspect them to see if any have blown. Replace any blown fuses with the correct type. Inspect the outdoor unit. Check if the outdoor unit is receiving power. Ensure that the disconnect switch near the unit is turned on. Wait for a delay. Some HVAC systems have a built-in delay after a power outage to protect the compressor. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes and see if the system turns on. Inspect for visible damage. Look for any signs of damage, such as burnt wires or components, and listen for unusual noises. If you notice any, it may be time to call a professional. Consult the manual. Check the HVAC system's manual for specific reset instructions or troubleshooting tips. Call a professional. If none of the above steps work, it may be necessary to call an HVAC technician to diagnose and repair the issue. There could be a more serious underlying problem that requires professional attention.